Hi guys, it's been a while since I've done my intro. Actually no, it's probably been only like 2 videos or something, but yeah, I'm making an intro right now because I didn't really know how to make the beginning. So yeah, basically this vlog is my October-November vlog. It's all the clips I couldn't put in my previous vlogs because I just didn't know where they would fit. They're videos where I like randomly started vlogging, so like yeah, I wanted to use those clips because some of them are important to me and some of them are just like random clips that I just wanted to share with you guys. But yeah, so I put them in all like one huge like video, but yeah, I just like wanted to put them there because I wanted to use them. I thought it'd be a waste if I didn't, so you know, yeah, so you guys should really, you know, watch this and I hope you enjoy. And maybe there's gonna be more of this because I do vlog randomly and that happens quite a lot, but you know what, it's okay. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started. But yeah, just these packages. Now I have to open them up and see what's inside because I forgot what we got. I just ate bibimbap. Yeah. But now I'm eating this gigantic caramel apple. Literally, there's only caramel on one side. Oh. How do you eat an apple? Mmm. 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 That is a good apple. Oh, so pretty. Yeah, hi guys. Hi. Yeah, look what I'm wearing. I'm not prepared. Everyone's wearing padded stuff. Eunice furry jacket. And I'm wearing thin H&M. It's okay, guys. I'm fine. 54 degrees is nothing.
Is it 54?
According to my app.
Wow. Ooh.
Yeah. But right now we're walking on a hike next to BB Lake, which is right there. Oh man! I didn't realize. Okay. So pretty. So pretty. Oh my god! I'm so sad. Why does this happen all the time? Something bad always happens. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, my sandwich. Ugh.
I was literally about to say my net ID.
Oh, what? Really? You're in line?
Yeah.
This is my second.
You have to go across the street.
Oh, bro. My sandwich! Oh my goodness!
No offense to cornell farm. Mine's a little dinky.
Yeah, I know. So
They go off like
I was like, what is that?
so often.
It's my second time at Nasty's and like, I couldn't get my sandwich again.
Why again?
Because the first time it wasn't open. And now this time there's a fire alarm. Oh my gosh. I'm so sad. Oh, hopefully they'll let us in fast. Oh. She's like, who are?
False alarm. No smoke.
We're going back in to get our sandwich now. Yay. Southwest from Nasty's. Apparently it's really good. And these two. Yay.
Oh my god.
Dude, I'm so hungry.
so hungry.
Take a bite, Sophia. Take a. Ooh. Gosh dang. Ooh, gosh dang. Ooh.
Oh,
It is. My mom sent us a huge package from Costco. Me and Sophia think it's snacks, but we don't know. What is
oh,
this?
it is snacks. Look, she sent me coffee too.
Oh, kind bar.
And mangoes.
What is this? Dry mango?
It came really fast, yeah.
Mango slicing? Oh my god, she got you another Quick Bars. Oh, this one she got peanut butter.
Yeah.
Oh,
And then
coffee.
You don't have to refrigerate it, so it's
You
nice.
don't?
No.
Okay.
It's oat milk.
And disinfecting.
Yeah, we are running out. Dang, this is
Oh.
a huge box.
Honestly, then this was the heaviest thing I had to carry here.
Yeah. This one was sort of heavy too, but not really. It's heavy for a
You
small.
guys want to know what
Oh, I
happened?
think masks.
Sophia and I went to where we go? RPCC, and we got 2 big boxes, and I carried the heavier box because Sophia was also carrying 3 bags of hot Cheeto chips.
Well,
Well,
2
2
bags.
Now we have 3 bags, and you haven't opened them.
Don't expose me.
Expose you?
I would show. Wait.
Like right there. Right here.
I'm back. Oh, those are masks.
Mask. Mask?
Masks.
Mask.
Masks. Can you open the mask box? I'm curious. What's
Yes.
in there? Why does it look like that?
I don't know. It's very
Nice. Ooh. Okay.
Oh, I guess I opened it on the wrong side.
We don't have to open the other one then.
Oh, we got
Or
black.
you can open it if you want.
No.
How many are in here?
Oh wait, this is like
Yeah, they're just the
these
regular
are just
ones.
normal ones.
Yeah. Oh, there's 50.
Yeah. Nice.
Okay.
95% filtration.
Okay.
Yeah, that's our haul.
Bye.
Guys, we're at the E-Hub and I'm with Jen. We got through the first floor, but we couldn't get through the second and third floor. But a really nice girl who sits who's like singing on the party, she let us in. So like, we're at the E-Hub. And if you guys don't know where E-Hub is, it's like literally right across from like College Town Bagels, and it's like it's in College Town. But like Sophia, Yuna, and Rachel like left us. Like they just started walking down. We're in. This is where we are. I'll show you guys. I'll give you guys a tour. It's just really quietly.
How'd you get in?
A girl let us in. We knocked. We knocked. I'm with Jen and we're getting pizza from College Town Pizza. Yeah, I've never had it before, but Jen said it's really good.
Okay, it hits when when it's late at night.
Yeah, apparently it's, I don't know. You said it was better than Domino's. If it's better than Domino's, then it must be
Anything's
good.
better than Tom.
Domino's is good though. Garlic crust. Jen, that's like really good. Okay, well, we'll see you guys with the pizza. I'm sharing with Sophia. Jen has her pizza right there. Okay, Sophia's gonna eat first. How's it taste? Pretty good?
I feel like it's like dining hall.
Mmm!
Does it taste like dining hall pizza?
Well, it depends.
No way. Dining hall pizza is much worse. They're not worse.
Maybe we don't know the meaning of pizza. Why do you even show the pizza?
Yeah, they can see
It
you.
looks like this. Sorry.
They can see Jen.
Mm.
Now they can see you now. And then Rachel. good.
Check out 2 pieces.
No, you need to put down. Are you dumb?
No.
What? This is you want to be bloated.
I got it for a reason.
Mmm.
I'm taking my pizza.
Hi guys, it's Sunday and me and Yuna are at Starbucks and there's so many orders here and so many people. It's so bad. Wait, I'll show you. Oh my god. Oh! It fell! Hi guys, Sophia and I were chilling and I was on my bed and I was like not sleeping, but I was watching Netflix, and then Sophia told me to look outside because it's snowing so much. Sorry, this is a really bad angle because there's construction behind our dorm, but you guys see all the snow? It's snowing. Yeah, we don't get a lot of this in California, so it's very, very interesting. So very exciting, but we thought we'd go to the library, but thank God we came back to the dorm because it's snowing like crazy. Right, Sophia? Mm-hmm.